This is the planet Earth. We live on the surface of the Earth. The surface of the Earth is made of rocks and soil. Soil is one of the most important resources of the Earth. Fertile soil is necessary to the growth of many kinds of plants. Plants provide food to people and animals. Soil has been changing since it was formed millions of years ago. In what ways does soil change? What are the causes of these changes? Find out how soil changes and what we can do to conserve it. Soil may be carried from one place to another by water, wind, people, and animals. The moving away of soil is erosion. What are the causes of soil erosion? Water carries away soil. During rainy season, some parts of the land get flooded. Flood carries soil with it. The soil that flood carries is deposited in rivers and lakes. Rivers, in turn, carry away some of the soil and deposit it into the sea. The slope of the land has a great part in erosion. The water carries away soil when the land has a slope. The steeper the slope, the more soil is carried away by running water. The erosion of soil caused by running water depends on the slope of the land, the amount of rainfall, and the presence of plants. Another way of soil erosion is caused by wind. As the wind blows, it causes particles of sand and dry soil to roll along. The dust you find inside your house or your classroom has been brought there by wind. Wind can move and carry away tiny particles of soil. In the desert, sandstorms carry away sand. Another agent of erosion are the humans and animals too. Humans dig into the ground to lay the foundation of the building. They use cranes to haul the soil. Much soil is moved to construct new roads. If the roads to be constructed is on the mountainside, a part of the mountain is blasted. Blasting the mountainside causes soil erosion. In some places, rice fields and fish ponds are filled with soil that come from other places. These rice fields and fish ponds are converted into residential areas. People do activities that cause soil erosion, same as animals too. Soil erosion shapes a beautiful landscape. Mountains, plateaus, valleys, and plains are some of the different landforms on Earth. The breaking down of rocks and their erosion caused the formation of some of these landforms. Erosion of land has been going on for millions of years and will continue as long as there is soil and there are wind and water that will move it. But soil erosion, on the other hand, affects the condition of the soil. The uppermost layer of the soil is loose. When wind blows, it can carry away topsoil. When rain falls and water flows into land, much topsoil is carried away. Erosion by wind and water removes much of the topsoil, which is a fertile soil that supports the growth of the plants. When topsoil is removed, the subsoil is exposed. Subsoil contains very little humus or none at all. The subsoil is not favorable for plant growth. Besides, it is difficult to cultivate because it is made mostly of clay, sand, and pebbles. How to prevent soil erosion? Terracing. Notice that the steep-like ridges follow the shape of the mountain. These ridges slow down the running water so it cannot carry away much soil. Contour plowing. Furrows are plowed to follow the shape of the land. In this way, water is prevented from flowing down the slopes and carrying away topsoil. Strip cropping. Strip cropping means planting crops in alternate groups. Riprap. One way to prevent erosion of the soil on a slope is by arranging big stones to form a wall. The stones are held together by mud or cement. Forest. Reforestation. Stop deforestation and illegal logging. Plant trees every now and then. We should help take care of our soil. We need it to grow plants that will supply us with food.